to obtain the Focus on Electric module, which significantly boosts electric skills for certain characters, such as Bonnie. Complete the Void Fusion Reactor mission in the Steer land region. Each time this mission is completed, there is a 12.5% chance of getting the module, meaning it should drop within 1 to 8 attempts. Statistically, this is a relatively favorable drop rate compared to other items with lower drop chances. However, playing on hard mode increases the drop rate to 30%, allowing for a higher chance of obtaining the module, potentially within just 3 attempts. The Focus on Electric module is highly desirable because it not only enhances electric skills but also reduces skill cooldown for electric-based skills, making it a must-have for characters that utilize electric powers.